Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't expecting to be back here so soon, but unexpectedly and very quickly I received the Winter 2023 Walmart Beauty Box. And this is how it comes. There is some damage. I don't think anything got out, but there is some damage to it. So it comes with this over the top of it. I didn't open it up, as you can see this time, ahead of time. I waited because I just came in and it was in my mailbox. So here's how it comes. Walmart Beauty Box. It is a seasonal beauty box subscription. I paid $6.98 for this. This is the Winter 2023 Walmart Beauty Box. And this is how it comes. Very inexpensive. I love that about it. I wasn't hearing the greatest things about it now. I used to subscribe to it a couple of years back. And that's when I ended my subscriptions to a lot of things, but I'm restarting them now. Just the more inexpensive ones. And as you can see, I have my new nails on, my Ipsy nails. They are Christmas nails. This is supposed to be a Christmas tree right here. And snowflakes. These are I can't remember what they're called. I thought they were black and silver, but they're in dark midnight blue and silver, which I love. That's my favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors. Anyway, Walmart Beauty Box subscription. Winter 2023. So you open it up and it looks like this. It's pretty neat. Neatly packaged. I'm not expecting too much because it was only $6.98. Alright, and here is the card that comes into it into the box with it. And it's called the Winter Edit. This one's called the Winter Edit. Here's the back. They used to have coupons. It looks like, I don't know, maybe we'll have coupons. Let's open it up and we'll find out. I mean, I know this opens up. I can see it. All right. So it does give you a description of the things in it. I don't think all of these things are in it. We're going to find out in a minute. This question mark must be a surprise or something. And it says, self-care season is here. Once that chill starts to set in, it's time to give yourself some extra TLC. Keep glowing all winter long with must-have skin, hair, and nail picks. So this must be all skin, hair, and nail. Shop these favorites and find ingredients information at walmart.com/beautybox. Each box contains at least 6 picks. Assortments will vary based on your beauty profile. So you go in and you do a profile. Very simple, very short, and oftentimes they're out of this box. So I'm surprised I even got it. So I will be getting 6 of these according to what they're saying. 6 of these. What does that question mark say? Don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. Oh, well, let's see how many we got. Might be an extra. So that's how it comes. I mean, it's for $6.98. Hey, you got to be fair. I didn't have it in a little plastic baggie before. Oh, I see what it is. This is in the plastic. At least they're taking good care of doing that. So I see 5 products in here. So I didn't get an extra. It does say I'm supposed to get 6. It says each box contains at least 6 picks. Now I could be picky and write to them and tell them I didn't receive 6. I only received 5, but I don't know if I'm going to do that for $6.98. I don't know if I'm going to bother with that. So the first one, as you can see, is the micellar cleansing water. So this is good stuff. This takes off your makeup. This is nice. This is the water. I'm not going to open it up. It's just water, cleansing water. And it says Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One Waterproof. Full size is $8.97. 13.5 ounces is full size. So this is 1.05 ounces. I'm not expecting much for this price, but this will last me. I mean, it will last me a little bit. Better than nothing. I mean, for $6.98, I'm not complaining. The next one is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. These little ones that you get in these boxes are nice to like stick in your purse because these are all pretty much, I'm pretty sure these are sample sizes. This is 1 fluid ounce. This is 1 fluid ounce. Okay. So it says made with soothing prebiotic oats to nourish skin, gentle and suitable for sensitive skin, and clinically proven to deliver intense moisture that lasts 24 hours. Full size is $17.06, and full size is 33 ounces. So this is 1 ounce. But I always am curious to see if they put a seal. This one does not have a seal. Not really surprised with lotion. And everyone's probably tried this before. Let's see. I will keep all these, I'm pretty sure. If not, I'll give them to, not as a gift. So I don't mind opening it. Okay, so it goes on nice. And it's not greasy at all. It's not greasy at all. All right, I'm always using lotion, so this will be handy. All right, the next one is Butter Glow. Radiance Boosting Glow. What is it? It's small. Liquid Highlighter Illuminator. Apply all over or to high points of the face. Can be worn alone or paired with your favorite Physicians Formula foundation. Okay, so this must be coming from Physicians Formula. And it doesn't say much about it. Just that the full size is $13.48, 1.3 ounces. And this is... well, hypoallergenic. That's good to know. I don't see how many ounces it is. Let's open it. I might give this away to stick in somebody's little stocking or something. So I don't want to open it. I'll open it a little bit. The color or shade is Glow. 6 milliliters. 0.2 ounces. All right, it might have a seal on it. It does. This one has a seal on it. So it's a highlighter, a liquid highlighter. And the color Glow. And the shade Glow. So what did I say? This was 1 ounce, I believe I said, or 0.2 ounces. Full size is 1.3 ounces, $13.48. All right. That's good. All right. Next we have Bright Pen. What is this? Whitens without the sensitivity. Certified non-toxic. Bright 2 pen? Bright 2 pen? I don't know what is that Bright 2 pen? Maybe. This is what it looks like. It's totally sealed. So I'm not going to open it. It's by Luminex. 1 pen inside. It says, hi there. You're holding the Bright Pen in your hands. This is whitening that really cares about the integrity of your teeth. The Lumino, it says. That's how it's pronounced. Bright Pen does more than just whiten teeth. It also helps protect them against future stains using purposeful and uncompromising ingredients from results that go above and beyond. Now, I've never seen this product before. It says dentist formulated. Use with Lumino whitening toothpaste, mouthwash, and whitening strips. Do not eat or drink for 30 minutes after you use this. If you experience tooth or gum irritation, stop using. Follow us on Facebook. It looks like Instagram and is that Twitter? I'm not sure. Lumina Health. It's like hashtag Lumina Health, hashtag Moral Care. And the website for this is moralcare.com if you want to take a look. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it. Let me see if there's any more information on here. Wow. $19.98 for 1 pen. So this is a full-size product. This was $19.98. That's very good for the Walmart beauty box, paying $6.98 only. This is almost $20. That's a big deal. This is a big deal for them. So I'm wondering if they're a new company. Maybe. Okay. And last but not least, we have Is this it? Urban Skincare Even? No, this is not a cleansing bar. Wet and Wild. I don't see this one on here. This must be the surprise. So they gave me 4 products in a surprise instead of 6 products in a surprise. Now that bothers me a little bit. I may write to them for that. They gave me 4 products in a surprise instead of 6 products in a surprise, because this one's not on here. So this must be like the mystery one, this question mark one that we were talking about earlier. Yeah, so they gave the water, the cleansing water. They gave the highlighter, liquid highlighter. And if you want to go look that up, that is my physician's formula called Butter Glow. If you want to look that up and see what it looks like, on someone. And maybe because they gave me this, maybe they counted that as 2 products. That could be. But still, and we got the lotion. But still, even if they counted this as 2 products, that's 5 products in a surprise. All in all, if they counted this as 2 products, and this is a surprise, that would be 2, 3, 4, 5. That'd be 6. Okay. I probably won't write them. So this is blush, Bed of Roses. It's called Bed of Roses. And it's by Wet n Wild, which we know is a very inexpensive brand. But still, that looks like a good color for me. I will use that probably. Maybe I'll open it. I mean, I could use this right now, probably. I'm going to open it and swatch it. Let's see what it looks like. Because this I won't give away. I'll use this one. And I'll use the lotion, the water, and the pen. I might give away the highlighter. I don't know, maybe. To stick in someone's bag extra. Just came from outside from doing errands. There's a ton of traffic, but then again, it's like almost 6 o'clock at night. So being a Monday and being this time, I'm assuming it's not Christmas shopping. I'm assuming it's people coming home from work. But it was crazy wild out there. And some people really, they drove by me. This truck drove by me so fast, I thought my vehicle was going to go off the road. Okay, so this is the blush, Wet n Wild, Bed of Roses. And I'm going to swatch this because I will use this blush. I'm getting low on blush. I'm going to swatch this and hopefully, oh yeah, it's a nice color. Let's do it up here further. Oh, that's perfect for me. I will wear that. Probably not that much, but I'll wear that. Perfect. Wet n Wild's inexpensive. And, some people are saying it's so cheap and everything. But I found a lot of nice products by this brand for, a good price. On a budget-conscious price. So, yeah, that's what I got. I don't know if I'll write them yet. Probably not, because that whitening pen, that's a good deal. All right, so this is what I got. Walmart Winter Edition. I wonder if something got out of here. That could be. I don't know. It's awfully small. Maybe that's where my other product went. Okay, Walmart. Beauty box subscription. Winter 2023. $6.98. Every 3 months you get the subscription. My next one would be, of course, would it be spring? It would be spring, I think. So it took me a while to get this because they were sold out. The fall one was sold out, I think. And so I was probably first in line for this one. There you go. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for coming to my channel. I would love it if somebody would put a comment below on if they've ever used that whitening pen. Let me know if you've ever used that whitening pen. I'm curious about that. And I'm going to look up reviews for it also. The other products, I think I'm pretty familiar with, except for that highlighter. So if you have anything to say about any of the products, good or bad, let me know. Let me know how you like them. Let me know how you like this beauty unboxing. And if you could, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you would, please also subscribe to my channel. That would help me out very much. A lot. And everyone have a happy and safe week. Enjoy the holiday season. Be good to each other. Be good to yourself. And Don't let anybody ever tell you that you're not important, because you're important and you're needed in this world. And many blessings to you and your family. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. You have a good evening. Bye bye.